Hey folks, welcome back, and I hope the holiday season's been treating you well. For folks that have been following me on Instagram, you probably know that I recently finished up a toddler sitting bench project that was for a coworker friend of mine. That's been delivered. He's very happy with the results. I did have two new techniques that I used there, one of which is carving the name into the back of the bench. I used a trim router and a V-bit for that. And I also did milk paint for the first time, which is the powdered old-fashioned brand. I used that. I was really happy with the results. And I have a ton of footage on that I want to edit, and I'll probably get that out after the first of the year. So now that that project's off my bench, I want to spend some time in the shop doing some upgrades there, one of which is going to be my shop lighting. I have all the fluorescent tubes that I put in years ago. Some of the tubes are starting to show signs of dying off, or some have died outright. So I'm going to be replacing those with LED tubes. They're direct T8 replacement LED tubes. And those require, or you really should, rewire your fixtures to bypass the ballast. And some folks have expressed interest on me doing a video on that, so that should be coming out after the first of the year as well. So when I looked at all my light fixtures, I have two. They're probably the two original ones that I put in the shop when I first started getting into woodworking, and those aren't going to be compatible with the tubes that I ordered. The tubes I got are Hyper Icon, though I got those from Amazon, but I was viewing Bob Claggett's Twitch stream last week, and he recommended a place called lightup.com. So I've ordered a couple flat panel fixtures to replace these two that are not going to be compatible with the tubes. So we'll see how that goes, but that's the lighting he's been using in his shop since he moved to his new home. Alright, speaking of 2019, the woodworking shows are going to be coming to my area in West Springfield next month, and I certainly hope to be able to make it to that one this coming year. I was not able to make last year's, for various reasons, but hope to make it there, and hope get to run into some folks I know, and it's always a good event when you can meet up with like-minded folks. One of my goals for next year too is taking a bowl turning class. I took a pen turning class actually just about a year ago now, and next on the list would be taking a bowl turning class. I definitely want to take advantage of that. I have some pieces of wood that I have my eye on that are out in my garage that might make good candidates for some bowls. And of course I have other ideas kicking around in my head for projects. I'm not sure which ones I'll do yet, but I hope that I'll be able to release a little bit more content in 2019 now that things have kind of settled down on the family home front. And now that we have my folks' house that sold this past year, a lot of this year was dedicated to getting that house ready to be sold. Now that that's done, I hope to be able to return to the shop even a little bit more and produce some more content for you guys. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick update video, and I wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and we will see you in 2019. Flipping my hat around.